Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dal Education Project video tutorial series for the Ruby programming. And in this session number 26, we are going to discuss the concept of the code of blocks. And let's start our program. First, create a new program, and here is the file block example. First of all, we need to know some important points about the block. Block consists of the chunks of codes. Block has a name, and one thing is remember that code is the block always uses the parenthesis. And one more thing, that a block is always invoked from a function with the same name as that of the name of the method. So let's start and create a program, and here is the I thought first program tag. What is the name of the project? Puts use of the block statement, and here is first of all we need to create a definition, a method. For example, I am creating a student method, and in the student method I am showing some information. Welcome to our education school system. And after that you need to define a code block, and the code block will name the same name as given in the method name. And here I'm first of all using the same post method, and whatever you need, welcome dear student, for example. Now we will execute this program and see what happens with this block of code. So right click on it and execute this block example. Then you can see that use of the block statement and welcome to the Dal Education school system is here. But this statement, welcome dear student, was not shown because this statement was not called by the method. In order to call the statement, we need another operator that is known as the yield operator, which will call this block of statement. So just write the yield here, yield, and then execute this one once again. And you can see that welcome dear student was shown here. There are the two types of the block of code statement. One is with the parameters and other is the without the parameter. This is an example of the code of blocks without parameters. But if you want to show the parameters, then for example I am giving the name of Saifullah, and if you want to use this parameter to show the name of the students, then for example we will use it here with the two lines, and then show this with the help of number sign f, and then use the name is here. And once again you will run this block of code, and you can see that welcome dear student, and the name of the student will appear here. In this way you can call the that this is a block of statement with the parameters. And there is another method to call it, for example and name, for example ampersand sign, and for example I'm using a b, then I can just use to comment this line, and you can call this with the help of b dot call. Now we will run this program once again. We will run this program. Okay, now you can see that welcome dear student. So either you will use the yield or either you will use the b dot call. B is the parameter here, and then you can call this method with the help of this one. So if you want to repeat this statement, for example I am going to repeat it for the 4 times, 4 dot times, and then do b dot call and use end. Then we will run this program and see what happened. Okay, so you can see that this code of block was displayed 4 times, 1 2 3 4. So guys, this is the basic concept of using the code of block, and I hope you will understand it very clearly and you will understand how to execute the block of codes, and they are different from the methods. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos. Allah Hafiz.